There are two major types of content that we have to worry about in a task analysis. The first, of course, are tasks. But in addition to tasks, we also have to be able to identify concepts. A concept is something that you understand, and a task is something that you do. They're very different types of information. One of the things that I found in a task analysis is often subject matter experts will initially begin to give you concepts. They'll say, well, you've got to understand this, or you've got to understand this. And one of the things that I found is if you begin to deal with concepts too early in the task analysis, it gets very confusing. And you actually end up with concepts not really focusing in on specific tasks. Now let me explain just a few things to help you in this process. The whole reason why we teach a concept or why we document a concept is to support tasks, to support the doing of things. If people understand concepts, they are able to perform tasks more readily. They will actually remember tasks with greater proficiency. And so tasks require concepts. Sometimes we have tasks that are generalizable. That is, if you complete this set of steps and you understand this concept or this set of concepts, you're able to modify that task in many different ways and generalize to a broader way of doing things. Concepts are critical. But you must be able to distinguish the two. And one of the things that you will find in the task analysis is we always identify the tasks first. And once we've identified all the tasks, then we return and begin to deal with the identification of concepts. Again, a concept is something that you understand. It has to do with the what is it, why is it important, when is it important, who does it affect, where does it affect it. Everything but how to. The minute that you step into how to do something, that's a task. That is the doing of things. That's requiring the documentation of steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. A concept, well, that's where the real art of writing lies. It's really the gift of writing that is required in the documentation and the writing of a concept. But again, a concept has little value unless it is supporting a task or the doing of things.